The geological development of Canada. Liquid hot magma flows from the center of the Earth to the Earth's surface. Magma cools as it slowly moves away from the core of the Earth. After the process of the magma slowly moving away from the core, the magma slowly turns into what is now called igneous rock. The igneous rock is called the Canadian Shield and became the base of all Canada. Magma eventually erupts and creates new rock on top of the Canadian Shield. The Canadian Shield at first was a big mountain range. Shallow seas covered the lowland at the bottom of the mountains. Weathering and erosion broke the Canadian Shield into many small sediments. The layers of the sediments were formed as they fell and settled at the bottom of the sea. Over long periods of time, the layers of the sediments were pressed and formed into sedimentary rocks. The Canadian Shield is always rising. As the Canadian Shield rises, it carries many of the sedimentary rock from the seafloor above the water. In the Canadian region, the sedimentary rock was so heavy that it began to push up against the earth and began to fold. The folding of the rock became the Appalachian Mountains. Over time, the Appalachian Mountains got worn down. In the west, the Rocky Mountains were created. They were created when two of the Earth's plates crashed together. The Rocky Mountains have not been weathered yet. Therefore, the Rocky Mountains are the highest mountains in Canada. The final event in the geological history of Canada was the Ice Age. The climate became colder and lots of snow fell. These layers of snow created glaciers. The glaciers started to move and spread away from the earth below. When the glaciers melted, all of the collected sediments were left behind. Canada is one of the largest countries in the world. It has developed tremendously over time, from population, economical, into the geological developments. Canada is a beautiful country.